In Excel, if you want to sum multiple values, you might be manually typing commas between each cell while selecting them. Let me show you a simple trick to quickly select the values without the hassle of adding commas manually. First, type the equal sign and write sum. Then open a bracket. Hold down the Control button on your keyboard and start selecting the ranges and values you want to include. The selected cells will automatically be added to the formula. Close the bracket and press Enter to get the result. You can use this trick with all formulas, like count, average, and more. Similarly, use the count formula to count values. You can also calculate the average and more. That's it. Quickly sum values without adding commas manually. Try it and save time. The practice file link is available in the description. Please like and follow for daily tips and tricks.